The compact SUV segment is crowded, but there aren't many models that combine power, economy, and capabilities in a particularly great way. Well, that's about to change because the Forester is getting the only thing it missed: excellent fuel efficiency. The 2026 Subaru Forester finally delivers what drivers demanded, and now it has all it takes to take the class-leading position. Let's take a closer look. Power or efficiency? Both. For years, Subaru faced a dilemma: how to electrify their lineup without diluting their DNA. The unique boxer engine and mechanical all-wheel drive system that define the brand aren't naturally compatible with typical hybrid setups. Rather than simply bolting on electric components or borrowing another manufacturer's technology, Subaru went back to the drawing board. The result is a revolutionary hybrid system built specifically around a 2.5-liter horizontally opposed boxer engine. This power plant works in perfect harmony with advanced electric motors to deliver 201 combined horsepower, far more muscular than previous Forester models. The immediate electric torque fills in the gaps where traditional boxer engines lag, creating a driving experience that feels both familiar to Subaru loyalists and refreshingly responsive. The transition between electric and gas power is virtually imperceptible, unlike some competitors' systems that noticeably shift between power sources. What's truly remarkable is how Subaru maintained its symmetrical all-wheel drive system intact. Unlike competitors who take shortcuts with electronic AWD in their hybrids, the Forester keeps a true mechanical connection between axles. This engineering approach ensures that the vehicle maintains its legendary off-road prowess and all-weather capability. The X-Mode system also carries over, with specialized terrain settings that optimize traction in challenging conditions, including a new deep snow mud setting. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, identical to the gas version, this hybrid doesn't ask you to compromise capability for efficiency. This is where Subaru's approach fundamentally differs from competitors, who often lower ride height on hybrid models to improve aerodynamics. The Forester Hybrid maintains full approach, breakover, and departure angles, meaning it can tackle the small trails as the standard model while using significantly less fuel. Fuel economy. The numbers tell a compelling story: 37 mpg city and 36 mpg highway. For a vehicle with true all-wheel drive and substantial ground clearance, these figures represent a quantum leap forward. The gas-only Forester struggles to break 30 mpg combined, but this hybrid version shatters expectations with a 36.5 mpg combined rating. What does this mean in real-world terms? A stunning 600-mile range on a single tank of gas. That's enough to drive from Boston to Washington, D.C. and back without refueling. The system achieves this through clever engineering that includes an Atkinson cycle conversion of the boxer engine and a precisely calibrated hybrid system that knows exactly when to deploy electric power. These improvements don't just match the competition, they surpass key rivals. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, long considered the benchmark, offers approximately 580 miles of range. Subaru has pushed beyond this mark while maintaining a more robust all-wheel drive system, proving that efficiency and capability can coexist. Another advantage of Subaru's unique approach is how the hybrid system performs in cold weather. Many hybrid vehicles lose significant efficiency in winter conditions, but Subaru's system includes specially developed battery heating and cooling systems that maintain optimal temperature ranges, ensuring consistent performance year-round. Subtle evolution in design. Subaru knows its customers value function over flash, and the 2026 Forester Hybrid respects this preference while introducing thoughtful upgrades. The classic boxy silhouette remains, preserving the excellent visibility and practical interior space that Forester owners love. However, careful observers will notice aerodynamic improvements like active grille shutters and streamlined wheels that help maximize efficiency. The front fascia has been refined with a slightly more prominent grille, featuring horizontal slats that close automatically at highway speeds to reduce drag. Headlights are slimmer and incorporate new LED daytime running light signatures that give the Forester a more sophisticated appearance. The hybrid version distinguishes itself with tasteful blue accents on badges and subtle hybrid lettering on the front fenders and tailgate. Two exclusive colors join the lineup: Electric Blue Pearl, that showcases its electrified nature, and Granite Gray Metallic, available with a contrasting black roof for a more sophisticated look. The wheel designs have also been optimized for reduced aerodynamic drag without looking overly simplistic. Both the 18-inch standard wheels and 19-inch optional wheels feature partially closed designs that channel air more efficiently around the vehicle. Roof rails remain standard, and Subaru has actually increased its load capacity to 176 pounds when the vehicle is in motion, acknowledging that Forester owners often carry adventure gear like kayaks, bikes, and cargo boxes. Practical luxury inside. The interior follows Subaru's philosophy of premium without pretension, offering high-quality materials and technology without unnecessary frills. The driver faces a modern 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable information about the hybrid system's operations. The portrait-oriented 11.6-inch central touchscreen has been updated with hybrid-specific displays that help drivers maximize efficiency. Physical controls remain for critical functions, a thoughtful decision when many competitors are moving everything to touch interfaces. Climate controls, drive mode selection, and audio volume still get dedicated buttons and knobs, making them easy to operate while wearing gloves or without taking eyes off the road. The cabin materials show clear improvements, with the innovative StarTex water-repellent upholstery now available on more trim levels. This eco-friendly, durable material is perfect for active lifestyles, resisting stains and water while being easier to clean than traditional fabrics. Storage solutions abound throughout the cabin, from generous door pockets to a configurable center console. With up to 74 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, the hybrid sacrifices virtually nothing compared to its gas counterpart. Subaru engineers positioned the battery pack beneath the rear seats to minimize intrusion into passenger and cargo areas, a feat many hybrid SUVs fail to accomplish. Acoustic glass is now used for the windshield and front side windows, significantly reducing road and wind noise. Combined with additional sound insulation throughout the vehicle, this creates a noticeably quieter cabin than the previous generation. Next-generation safety systems. Subaru's EyeSight safety technology has evolved dramatically for 2026, with hardware and software improvements that make it more capable and less intrusive. The camera-based system now features wider fields of view and faster processing, allowing it to detect potential hazards sooner and respond more naturally. Pedestrian and cyclist detection works at greater distances and wider angles, while emergency braking engages with more progressive pressure. The lane-keeping system has been refined to avoid the ping-pong effect between lane markers that plagues many driver assistance systems. This makes highway driving less fatiguing and more natural. New for 2026 is an enhanced driver monitoring system that uses infrared cameras to detect signs of fatigue or distraction. The 360-degree camera system, available on premium trims and above, provides unprecedented visibility for parking and off-road maneuvers. The display offers multiple viewing angles, including a virtual see-through hood view that shows terrain directly beneath the front of the vehicle, invaluable for precise off-road placement. Value-packed trim levels. The 2026 Forester Hybrid lineup is thoughtfully structured to appeal to different priorities while maintaining competitive pricing. The premium trim starts at around $37,000 and includes features that would be optional on many competitors. Standard equipment includes dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, the 11.6-inch infotainment system with wireless smartphone integration, and the complete EyeSight safety suite. The Sport model at around $40,000 adds visual distinction with dark-finished 19-inch wheels and gloss black accents. Inside, you'll find the durable StarTex upholstery and an 11-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. This trim also adds paddle shifters that allow drivers to adjust regenerative braking intensity. For about $41,500, the limited trim elevates the experience with leather upholstery, a power liftgate, and additional chrome exterior accents. Convenience features include an 8-way power passenger seat, a heated steering wheel, and automatic high beams. The flagship touring trim Priced at around $45,000, represents the ultimate expression of the Forester Hybrid. Ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and premium Napa leather with ultra suede inserts create a truly upscale cabin. This model exclusively offers two-tone exterior paint options and distinctive 19-inch alloy wheels with a unique machine finish. Industry insiders suggest a Wilderness Hybrid model is in development, which would combine the efficiency of the hybrid system with even greater off-road capability through increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and additional underbody protection. The rumored Wilderness Hybrid would offer nearly 9.5 inches of ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and a reinforced roof rack system capable of supporting a rooftop tent. The 2026 Subaru Forester Hybrid represents a watershed moment for the brand, proof that electrification can enhance rather than dilute Subaru's unique appeal. By staying true to their core values while embracing new technology, Subaru has created a vehicle that satisfies both loyal fans and new buyers looking for efficiency without compromise. But the electrified Forester won't have an easy task drawing new customers, as the competition among hybrid SUVs is fierce. Check out this video about the new 2026 Kia Sportage you can now see on the screen. The new generation is on the way, and once again, it will be offered not in one, but two hybrid versions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.